Hello. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to register for the Immigration Navigation demo account. So you will navigate your web browser to www.immnav.com. Then after it loads, we'll go ahead and click on register/demo in the top right hand corner here. So you'll read this disclaimer up top. Make sure that you read it. It's very important. And then afterwards, you will enter your information that will allow you to sign up for the service. You can show your password there. Let's ensure the passwords match. Okay. I recommend, in order to see the full power of the program itself, for position and role, she's both attorney. It matters down the line, but we will discuss that in another video tutorial. And so you'll press submit, and Immigration Navigation will automatically send you an email providing you information to log into your test account. Thank you, and have a great day.